Hi guys, so I wanna clean out my microwave. So I am going to do a DIY to get rid of all this splatter from my microwave. So I'm gonna pour 1 cup of water with half cup of lemon juice into this container and put it in the microwave. Placing in the microwave. So the 10 minutes is now finished. So I'm gonna let the liquid stay and stay in there and let the steam, soften all the, the splatter and stuff in the microwave. I'm gonna give it maybe about another 5 minutes before I open because, contents inside are hot. So, has been a little bit more than 5 minutes. This is still warm. So now I'm going to wipe out the microwave. So afterwards, I wiped out the microwave with my kitchen rag. And yep, I didn't have to do a lot of scrubbing. I took out the turntable because I didn't want it to, slide out and break or for me to have an accident. But, all I did was just use a damp cloth and wipe, and it came out very spotless. So try it for yourselves. Like DIY, lemon and water. That's it.